Hi, Kinder families. It's Gretchen Kleinsasser, your principal. Just wanted to give you a quick little message here about material pickup. So we know our Kinder Academy families and our La Academia Kinder families, those teachers have materials for you that we want to make sure you have for the remainder of our distance learning. So all Kinder Academy families and all La Academia families, we're inviting you to come into school in our parent pickup and drop-off loop on Tuesday, April 14th from 8 to noon on that morning, and we're going to have some staff that are going to be there. You're going to drive in, pull all the way forward just like drop off and pick up, roll down your window, tell us your child's name, and we have an envelope of all those materials that we'll just drop in your car for you. Also, I know our La Academia Kinder families, some of them are going to be receiving Chromebooks due to need. And so those families have already spoken with their teacher or communicated with them. So we will have those ready for you as well. If you have any questions about the material pickup, please contact your teacher directly. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you on Tuesday morning between 8 and noon. And of course, if that time doesn't work for you, please communicate with your teacher and we will figure out another means to get things to you. But hopefully we can get distributed all that Kinder material for you without having to come into the building for that. So have a great day.